What is up YouTube? This is Travis. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I film rollers. In this video we'll be discussing the equipment I use, how to use it, and then hitting the highway with the boys to film some rollers of my Mk1 Audi TT. So hit that like button and subscribe for weekly videos. Let's get into the video. We're going to start this video off by showing you guys the equipment that I use. This is a DJI OSMO Pocket 3 with two of the DJI wireless mics. Now the Pocket 3, this is a pretty powerful tool. This is a gimbal camera. As you can see, the camera here is able to swivel around. Another interesting thing about the Pocket 3 is that it can be controlled wirelessly through an app. So you can mount it outside of your car and control it from an app and get good footage, all from the safety of inside your car. If you know anything about the history of rollers, you know people have gone to crazy lengths to get good shots with, high-end cameras and minivans and harnesses, and they're hanging out the side of their car, but this is an alternative to, not putting yourself in danger, but yeah. Now this right here is the star of the show. This is the digital photo Sniper Pocket. Now, what you do with this thing is you find a flat surface on your car and you suction it down. I mean, that thing don't go anywhere. That's pretty much it. And now the Pocket 3 mounts inside here. Velcro that goes around it to, so you can tightly secure it so you know that it's going to be safe outside the car. And then boom. Now I'm going to go throw this on the car and then get the app ready, and I'll show you guys how this works. Now, it's important to note that you will need some friends to do this, right? You're going to need minimum 2 people to do this. If you're shooting somebody else's car, you're going to need a camera car, you driving the car, and a buddy using the camera, or a buddy driving the car with you operating the camera. Now in my case, I'm driving my own car, so I've got 2 buddies with me. I've got my buddy Jerry and my brother. Buddy Jerry driving his car, the camera car with the camera attached to it. My brother with him in that car, operating the camera from his phone, and then me in my car, and then they're recording. Find a nice flat surface like a window, and bam. Until the white line goes away. That thing ain't going nowhere. Alright, and then the Pocket 3 is on, and I will show you guys what this looks like from the phone side. So on your app store, you're gonna find DJI Mimo. You guys hearing this? I'm hearing some ungodly noises. What in God's name was that? Anyway, whatever the hell that was. Yeah, so once you're in the app, I mean, it's pretty dark out. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but once you're in the app, you can control the car from your phone. So there I am. Hello. Yeah, but it's pretty simple. And then even here, I don't know if you can even see me right now. I think it might be too dark out. Yeah, but you see it, you can double tap an object, which I'm doing myself, and it'll track me. So you can automatically track. So yeah, this is a setup. I mean, look at that, it just follows you around. Hopefully you guys can see. I know it's dark out, but yeah, we'll get back to the video. I'm gonna go grab my boys. So just wanted to say, neither me or my friends, none of us are professionals. This is entry-level consumer-grade equipment, and we're all new to this, still learning the equipment. So take everything we're saying with a grain of salt, and this is just the results I was able to get. And if it's something you're interested in, maybe you could follow along.